Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Wednesday, October the 7th. We have here the Globex profiles, not split, but just showing each day 24-hour Globex market profile chart. And you can see that after that pause that we had here, when I was making reference to the acceptance above the 36, a lot of time spent there and then shot up, and then today was basically sideways. So that next major area that I was mentioning was the 55 price, which is right here, which is basically where we got to today. The market rallied to 56, I think it was, what, 56.75, I believe it was. Sorry, let me just check that again. 54.50 is where we got to today. So the overnight was 54.75. So this 55 area is crucial. If the market can hold above that, we're going to have another leg up. And it could be a good leg up. We have news coming out tomorrow morning at 8:30 Eastern Time, which is the jobless and the claims and the employment situation. So that definitely could be a market mover. And of course, if it can move above there in the overnight, it's kind of tipping its hand that, yeah, it's probably going to like the news and will continue higher. And if that's the case, then we've got other areas above there where the market could obviously extend its range too. And then the next area up there is around the 62 area. Here's the daily profiles, and of course each one of these has a market profile, lettered version, and the volume. So we like to look at these to really give us a good handle on the condition of the auction, what phase of the cycle we're in, and therefore realize where we're headed with some degree of some degree of certainty. Obviously never 100%, but some degree. And so that next level up and around the 62, and that would be a nice move higher that could cause additional move. So if the market could go up and hit that 62 area, up in here would be the next area of resistance, and then really the next one after that would be probably in around 66 and then 69. So there's some areas up in there that the market could easily get to. Once we get above, let's say, that swing high on the daily basis is up there around 76, so that would be the next major area for the market to test. So it looks like it wants to go higher, although watch out, it could go lower. We are expecting, though, a pretty solid move here coming up as early as overnight, but more likely tomorrow once the news is released. We had a few trades today. We had a short trade in here off this deceleration. It would just barely met our requirements. Unfortunately, we were stopped out on that. We had another system long trade in here, but because our 55 resistance area we knew was so strong, it didn't really give us room to move. So those of our traders that have followed us for some time knew that would not have taken that trade. We did have another couple of opportunities to get short in here, and then another one in here. All of these trades hit our first objective, and one of them here did hit our second objective as well. So able to make some profit on the last three trades, break even on two of them. So not a great day for trading, but as I was mentioning, our major resistance was at 55, and our major support was down here around 42. So it never did reach the major support and resistance. So obviously the reward to risk ratio was really not that great because of that. So we're still monitoring this 55 to 42 area, and it looks like it has a bullish bent to it, and is likely to continue higher with those areas of potential resistance and or targets as I was just mentioning. So that's a quick look at the market. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us, info@eMiniDayTrader.com, and that'll be it for Wednesday the 7th of October. Thanks for taking the time to view this, and we'll see you tomorrow.